Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website design with Wix. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by accessing the Wix website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, click on Create New Site. Select a category that best fits your website's purpose. Wix will present you with two options: Wix ADI for automated design and Editor for customizable templates. Choose Wix ADI to let Wix design your site based on your preferences. Answer the questions Wix ADI asks to define your website style and needs. After providing your information, click Next to allow Wix to generate your site. Wait for the design process to complete. This will take just a few moments. Once finished, review the automatically generated website layout. You can customize elements by clicking on any section you want to alter. Easily change text by clicking on the text box and typing your desired content. Adjust images by clicking on them, then selecting Change Image to upload or choose from Wix's library. To modify the layout, use the drag and drop feature for flexibility. Utilize the Add button to insert extra elements like buttons or galleries. Experiment with design options in the settings for fonts, colors, and backgrounds. When satisfied with your design, click Publish in the top right corner. Set a domain name for your website, or use a free Wix domain. Finally, click Publish again to make your website live for visitors. Congratulations, you've successfully automated your website design with Wix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.